Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. I am so happy that you're here with me today because today we are gonna make chiles rellenos. Chiles rellenos are a traditional Guatemalan dish that is served in family meetings or any other meeting because they are delicious and I know that you will love them. So let's get ready to make these delicious chiles rellenos. To make this delicious chiles rellenos, you will need, of course, chiles, a kind of pepper. You can use any kind of pepper and color, red, green, yellow. I like to use spicy peppers, and these peppers are already prepared, washed, clean, and dried perfectly. And then I broil them for 20 minutes in the broiler, and then I turn them so they can be charred in both sides. After that, I immediately put it inside a Ziploc bag so they can sweat. When they sweat, all that little skin can come out very easily, and it's a very easy process to clean. You will also need mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes is my preference because I like the mashed potatoes to keep all the filling inside while frying the chiles rellenos. You will also need carrots and green beans. These are already cooked with salt. 6 eggs that we're gonna use to fold all the chiles rellenos and then fry them. You will also need pork. I have here 4 pounds of pork that I already prepared in my Instant Pot. I like to use these Instant Pots to make this process because it's way faster. You can also substitute these with beef or even fish. I heard in some regions they use fish. So let me know, have you tried chiles rellenos with fish? Sounds delicious. So let's make these amazing chiles rellenos. Now that you have mixed the vegetables, mashed potatoes, and the meat, you have to start preparing and folding the chiles. And this is very simple. You just have to practice a few times and then they're gonna be very beautiful. And I went ahead also and beat the egg whites, adding the egg yolks at the end. I also have oil already hot on the stove because we are gonna fold it and immediately fry it. To make the chiles, I grab the chile and I like to leave this little, I don't know how it's called, the little thing on top to decorate, and then I fill them, open them, and close them. And you see, it's perfectly closed, and then I dip them like I was going to dip strawberries on chocolate, just like that. Grab them and fry them. I am going to go ahead and finish all these delicious chiles rellenos and show you at the end how they look. So I fry here all the chiles, turn them when they are fried, and let them rest a couple minutes over paper towels to drop some of the oil. And that's it. So we are done. Another delicious Guatemalan dish. This is the way I like to serve it. I went ahead and prepared some potato rolls. You can just purchase any kind of bread you like at the store. If you want to make your own, I'm gonna leave the link for the recipe in the description section. And I grab one of these and open it. And I like to put a little bit of cream on both sides. And I grab one chile, put it in the middle, and put a little bit or more spicy sauce. I like spicy on top. And this is gonna be a snack that everybody is gonna enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this video and find value in it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time here in Cooking with Hilda.